Hey everyone, how's it going tonight? Nick Pecos here with the Pecos Aesthetic. Have a cool video for you guys tonight. I'm working on a reclaimed hand-hewn beam project. That's a mouthful. And I'm at the stage where I'm going to be applying finish soon. And I wasn't sure, I've never worked with reclaimed materials before, and I wasn't sure what finish was going to look good. So I went out to Lowe's, got a whole bunch of different Minwax colors that I thought would look good, and tested them on some samples, and wanted to share them with you guys. So if you're doing your own reclaimed wood project, you can kind of use this as a guide to what different stains look like. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me just... Right, so I have 5 different stains here, as well as a water-based polyurethane finish. The first stain here is weathered oak. These are all made by Minwax that can be purchased at Lowe's, not at Home Depot. They do Varthane products. So if you're looking for these, go to Lowe's. So this first one is weathered oak. You can see it's got kind of a orangey look to it. I kind of like this one. It's reminds me of like a old wooden ship kind of a look. This next one is Minwaxed Aged Barrel. I was pretty excited about how this one was going to look, but disappointed how it turned out. I don't know. It's a little too dark for me, a little too gray. I wasn't wild about that one. This next one is Driftwood. And I think this one's my favorite one. It's got a very similar kind of orange appearance to the weathered oak, but I don't know, I just like the look a little bit better. You can still see the dark blacks from the old wood, and it gives a little bit of color to the wood that's cleaned off. So I really like that one. This next one is Classic Gray. This is kind of the same thing. It's literally got a gray tint to it. Not really what I was going for, maybe for a different project, but not this one. This next one's Early American. This one I absolutely hated. It just makes the wood look black. Not the look I was going for at all. And then this last one is Polycrylic. So this is a water-based polyurethane product, and I use this a lot. This is in a matte finish. You can see it says clear matte on the bottom. And this is what I'm going to be using to put on the product. So I may end up just using this with no stain, or I may use a stain and then use this over the stain. And the reason is it gives it a little bit of a different finish look. It doesn't really need to be protected because it's on a project that's going in the ceiling, but still a good product, and it gives it a little bit of color as well. And when you look at it from the side, you can, I don't know if it picks up in the camera, but it just gives it a little bit of a shine. It's hard to, you can't really see it in the camera, but it gives it a little bit of a sheen, I guess. Much less than the gloss, but I like the way it looks. So anyway, if you're considering using Minwax products for stain on a reclaimed wood project, use this as a guide. And yeah, I hope that helps. Take care, guys. Thanks.